In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send documents in Gmail. This is a straightforward process, and by following a few simple steps, you'll be able to attach and send documents with ease using Gmail. So let's dive right in and get started. First, you'll want to open your Gmail account. If you're not already signed in, simply enter your email address and password and click Next to access your inbox. Once you're there, take a look at the upper left corner of the screen, where you'll find the Compose button. Give it a click, and you'll see a new email window pop up. Now, in this new email window, you'll notice spaces to enter a recipient's address and a subject line. Go ahead and fill in the email address of the person you'd like to send the document to in the To field. Don't forget to add a subject line in the Subject field. It provides your recipient with a quick idea of what the email is about. With those fields filled out, we can proceed to the body of the email. Click inside the large text box and type out your message. Here, you can give a brief explanation of the document you're sending or provide any additional information your recipient might need to know. Remember to keep it clear and concise for easier comprehension. Now let's move on to attaching your document. Look down towards the bottom of the new email window, and you'll spot a paperclip icon. This is the key to attaching files in Gmail. Click on that paperclip icon, and a file selector window will appear, allowing you to browse through your computer's folders to find the document you want to attach. Once you've found it, click on the document, and then press Open. You should see the file start to upload, with its name appearing just below the subject line. It's always a good idea to double-check that you've attached the correct file before you hit send. If your document is fairly large and you encounter issues uploading it as a direct attachment, Gmail offers another option. You can upload your document to Google Drive directly from the same interface by selecting the Drive triangle icon next to the paperclip. Once uploaded, the link to the document will be shared in your email, making it easier to send large files. Finally, when everything looks good and you're ready to send your email, just hit the Send button at the bottom left corner of the email window. You'll receive a confirmation message indicating that your email has been successfully sent. And there you have it. Sending documents through Gmail is as simple as that. I hope you found this guide helpful, and you can now confidently send documents via Gmail without any hassle. Thank you for watching, and feel free to like and subscribe for more useful tutorials.